Trav'ler Pro RV Halo app operation. This video will walk you through pairing the Trav'ler Pro with the Winegard RV Halo app and operating the antenna in the app. Before opening the app, make sure the data cable is plugged into the IDU is plugged into power, and your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. Open the RV Halo app. If you do not have a Winegard.com account, you will need to create one. Please note, these accounts are different than those used to log in to the Winegard connected app. Log into the app with your Winegard.com account. Accept location permissions when prompted. First-time app users will be prompted to add a device. If you are not prompted, tap the plus sign in the upper right corner. Tap Add Device. Tap Scan Device QR code. If prompted, accept the camera permissions. Locate the QR code on the side of the IDU. Align the QR code so it is visible in the scan window of the app. Tap Save once the app identifies the device type. You will be prompted to pair. Tap Pair. Enter the PIN displayed on the IDU display, then tap Pair. Allow the app to complete the connection process. Complete the product registration. Tap Register. Tap Continue. Tap the Trav'ler from the device list. This is the control center for the antenna. From here you can view antenna status, stow the antenna, initiate a search, view motor positions, antenna type, and current search mode. Change antenna settings. Rename antenna. Connect to Wi-Fi. View cloud services status, required for OTA updates. View Bluetooth status. View system information. Access resources and help. And remove device from the app. The circles at the top will indicate if the antenna is in the ready state, and the stow state of the antenna. Stow will stow the antenna for travel. Search gives you the option of running a GPS-assisted search or a normal search. GPS-assisted search will have the GPS toggled on and the Have You Moved toggled off. This search will use the GPS position of your phone to enhance the search routine and reduce the time to acquire satellite signal. Normal search mode will have the GPS toggled off and the Have You Moved toggled on. This search will typically take longer, as it requires the antenna to rehome its position and search for the satellite. Below the stow and search options is information that indicates the current motor positions, what provider the system is set for, and what search mode is selected. Connect to Wi-Fi will guide you through connecting the IDU to an available wireless network. This will need to be done to download any software updates for the system. Tap Connect to Wi-Fi. Allow it to scan for available networks. Select the desired network from the list. Enter the password if prompted, and tap Save. Allow the system to complete the connection to the chosen network. Once it shows as connected, tap the back button to go back. If a software update is available, you will be notified at the top of the page. Tap the Update Available notification, then tap Update Device to complete the software update. From the advanced settings you can change the antenna type. Adjust the antenna positioning. Raise the antenna off the roof. Calibrate elevation. Change the search mode. The antenna type option is used to switch between service providers. Select the antenna type for your provider from the list. Switching between service providers requires the necessary hardware to be installed. For questions on conversion hardware, please contact Winegard customer support. The Adjust Antenna option allows you to manually move the antenna to a specific angle in order to peak in satellite signal. The antenna needs to be raised off the roof at least 16 degrees before adjusting the antenna position. If the elevation shows below 16, use the Raise Antenna function to raise the antenna off the roof before proceeding. When adjusting the antenna, First, select the movement increment to the desired degree. The increment options are 0.5, 1, 5, and 10 degrees. With a degree increment set, you can adjust the motor positions for azimuth, elevation, and skew. To reset the unit back to its original position, tap the refresh symbol. The raise antenna option will allow you to set the antenna's elevation to 16, 45, or 70 degrees. This would be used to install or replace components like the feed arm, reflector, LNB, or sheath cable. The calibrate elevation is used to reset the antenna's known elevation position. This should only be used if you are receiving an EL motor home failure message on the IDU. Tap Calibrate Antenna and the antenna will raise to the hard stop position. Verify the antenna is pointing straight up in the air. Tap Yes, Continue. If not, you can attempt to stow the antenna by tapping No, Stow Antenna. Or you can submit a support request by tapping No, Contact Support. Please contact Winegard customer support if you continue to experience issues after calibrating the elevation. The search mode setting allows you to switch between multi-satellite search and single satellite search. When choosing multi-satellite search, the system will default to the set of satellites based on the antenna type. When choosing single satellite search, you can select the specific satellite you want the antenna to search for. The manufacturer heading will give you product information related to your system. Resources and help will give you access to product manuals, support videos, and allow you to submit a support request. The Remove Device button deletes the device from the app. If you need assistance with operating the Trav'ler Pro system or have questions, please contact Winegard customer support.